Now we'll go outside. Okay, this is completed. Now we'll go for chapter number 2. Write down. Write down chapter number 2. Okay. Chapter number 2 you write down. Write down the title as, write down the title. Title you write down technical objects, not master data. Technical objects you write down.
Okay.
Technical objects. Write down technical objects. So in that is chapter number 2 is technical object. In that chapter number 2, 2.1 you write down. Chapter number 2.1 you write down. Chapter number 2.1 you write down master data. Chapter number 2.1 is master data. Okay. Okay. Write down. Chapter number 2 master data. Sorry, chapter number 2 is technical objects. Chapter number 2.1 is master data. Then in the bottom you write down material master data. Material master. Material master. Write down material master. Now we'll learn about materials. After that, you write down this material type. You write down material type and write down this chart. This chart you write down. This chart you write down. If you want to write down, or you can take screenshot. No problem. You can do anything, whichever you are comfortable. You can do. Okay, we'll discuss on this. We have to discuss on this. Okay. Hello. Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, say there are basically 3 material which go for production. What are the 3 materials? This one. Raw material, semi-finished and finished. Finished is outside after production is completed. Raw material is coming from outside the company. Okay. A vendor will give this material. And then it will get processed. So what is the code for SAP code for raw material?
ROH.
H. So you should remember this. This okay? You remember this. Okay, this I'll close it, otherwise it's confusing. Okay. Now ROH is the raw material code for raw material ROH. Semi-finished product, what is the code? HALB, correct? Okay, finished product, what is the code? FERT, correct? Okay, then there are some other code like equipment packages, EPA, and production resource tool is FHMI. Then there is these 2 are important: service material and spare parts. Who is in charge for this? Who is responsible for service and spare parts material? Tell me. Who is responsible? PM, plant maintenance. Hello.
Yes.
So plant maintenance is responsible for these 2 materials, correct? Service and spare parts. What is the code for service material? DIEN. And what is the code for spare parts? ERSA. Remember, it's very, very important. Okay. Now we have to also know this, all this material, raw material, semi-finished product, finished product. We should know all this also. And we have to know this also. This is very important for us. This service and spare parts, no, this is important because this is related to plant maintenance. Correct? Are you clear?
Yes.
So, okay. Now in this chapter number 2.1, which is material master data of material master. In that, I will teach you some configuration, backend configurations. Backend configuration is I have to create something so that I can create material master. So you write down chapter number 2.1, part 1, you write down. Chapter number 2.1, part 1. Write down
What?
the
Did you say
part 1, part
Python?
1. Like this,
Okay.
right? See, I'll show you. I'll show you. Chapter number, say, chapter number 2. Number 2 is technical objects. Then chapter number 2.1. 2.1 is master data of which one? Material master. Master data for material master. Okay. Then in this, in chapter number 2.1, chapter number 2.1, part 1, write down configurations for material master. Right now. Okay. Chapter number 2.1 is configuration for material master. In that you write down configuration number 1. Okay, configuration number 1, you write down define industry type. Okay, write down. You understood now? You are able to
Yes.
understand? Yeah. So I am
Yes.
going to define the industry. I'm going to define the industry. Okay. So I will go back now. I'll go to SAP now. SAP. Write down. Define industry type. Now tell me, Dover, what sort of industry is that? What sort of industry? Okay. I'll give example. Oil and gas. Okay. I will tell you like this. If suppose IBM, what type of industry is that? What is IBM? What type of industry is that?
Software.
Software
Software.
industry, I think.
Very good, very good, very good. Software industry. Now, if I am asking you, like, hello, hello. Suppose if I'm asking you that Ford Motors, what sort of industry is that? Ford Motors.
Manufacturing industry, Abi.
Manufacturing,
Right.
automobile manufacturing. Industry.
Automobile.
Ford,
Automobile.
Ah.
Automobile.
So, like that, Dover, what type of industry is that? Dover.
Is Dover is oil and gas service company. Yeah. Oil and gas. It's oil and gas.
Okay, yours is this one, yeah, Nigerian. You know? So this door engineering, who are we?
Nigeria.
Nigeria, you know? See,
Yeah. Look at
Nigeria.
it. Can you see? No. Dover Engineering Limited, Nigeria.
Okay. Correct. Dover engineering mentioned, Nigeria. Okay, it's there.
Scroll down.
Okay. Scroll down. Huh? So this is, you have a lot of products here. Upstream, midstream, downstream, energy and gas. Okay, a lot of things are there. Consulting and management. All these are you people only.
Yeah.
Yes.
persons.
So
You
it's
are right. Very
LNG
good.
and gas.
Okay, so LNG and gas. I will make it as LNG and gas. Okay, you understood? No? So what we'll do, we'll define the industry type. So write down the path now. Define industry type. Write down the path. Okay, write down the path. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then see here, you should not go to enterprise structure. You should go here, logistics general. Can you see this logistics general?
Okay.
Can you see logistics general? You go there. Logistics general. Then we have to go to material master. Can you see? Material master. Logistics general, then material master.
Okay.
Then we have to go to field selection. Field selection. Can you see that? field selection.
Field selection.
Go to field selection. In this, you can see define industry sector and industry sector specific field selection. Right now, define industry sectors and industry sector specific field selection. Right now,
sector
and industry sector specific field selection. Right now. Okay.
sector specific
Third one. Define industry sector and industry sector specific field selection.
Okay.
Then we'll go there. You click this. Now you can see a lot of industry are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can take. See here, on the left side, there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. No? Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Can you see this? In the left side,
Yes.
First one, first column. So
Ash.
in that, whatever is available here, you can take. Whatever is not available, you can take. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already available. So you can take 6, 7, 8, 9. Likewise,
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, you can take. You can, sorry, E, F, you can take. Then you can take G. G is available here. And you can see industry description. Different chemical industry, medical device industry, retail industry, engineering industry, like that. Now what we'll make LNG and gas. Okay. And field reference, now I will take A only. Don't worry about it. So now what I'll do, I'll click on new entries. And I told we'll take G. G will take. And here I will say LNG and gas industry. Then A. Right. All these are backend configuration. When we are doing master data, no, I will show you all these things. Okay. Right now.
Hold on.
Yeah, right now. Right. Return. Okay. Return.
So the field reference, so the character for the field reference doesn't matter. You can take from the existing one, but for industry sector, you take what is not in the list, in the existing list.
Correct. You are right. Okay, then put that and press enter and save. Enter and save. Okay, so tomorrow we will do some more configurations. Today we'll close it here because I want to take questions. Any questions on today's topic? We'll close it here. Today we'll close it here. We'll take questions now. Please tell me any questions, or we'll close it today. Any questions, please? Mustafa, ask questions.
Yeah, I think I'm good from my hand.
Today you are okay. Today you understood.
Yeah.
Today I have not gone fast. I have gone very fast.
No, we're okay.